Muhammad Rasulullah, Muhammad Habibullah, Muhammad Rasulullah, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Muhammad Rasulullah, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the exemplary teacher for all the Muslims, the role model for all the Muslims. It taught us to be truthful, it taught us to be honest, it taught us to be kind and follow the ways of Allah. Muhammad Rasulullah, Muhammad Habibullah, Muhammad Rasulullah, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.